I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 9 Hands-on Exercise CircleCity Sporting Goods PC and Mac. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email if you need help with this assignment, and if you want to deal for this complete course, you can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, all hands-on exercise assignments, cap assessment, capstone, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling all my liability courses for my other student, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, and also handling many more online courses, MyLab Math, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, Writing, Literature, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. So if you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, go to Excel chapter 9 hands-on exercise CircleCity Sporting Goods, click on this assignment. This assignment will be open right now. First we will download files in our PC download folder. Then we will start our assignment to solve it step by step. Click on download materials button. So click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our PC download folder and we will open first instruction file. Then we will open our Excel workbook. Click on enable editing button. Then we are able to do this assignment. The title of assignment is Exp22 What Chapter 9 Hands-on Exercise CircleCity. I have highlighted this title for a proper view of my video. Project description. You can see project description to get idea about your project. So we can move on instruction. The question number 1 of this instruction is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22. Okay, this is the session of Exp22 assignment. Excel chapter 9 hands-on exercise CircleCity. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download instruction as XLS workbook from my Library Pearson dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Library Pearson dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your portal. So we can move on Excel workbook, and I am going to opening my Excel workbook right now. So click on enable editing button. So click on this cross. So moving on question number 2. In question number 2, the main title and row headings are displayed only in Tier 1 worksheet. You want to fill in the title and row headings for the other 3 quarterly worksheet as well as the yearly worksheet. Okay. Group the Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 4 and yearly worksheet. Select cell A1 in the Tier 1 worksheet, fill the formatting and content across the group worksheet, fill the range A2 to A10 across the group worksheet and group the worksheet. The first point of this question is that first we will group the Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 and yearly worksheet. Okay. We will select Tier 1 worksheet, press Ctrl and select Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4 and year worksheet and year. So this all worksheet are grouped. Select cell A1 in the Tier 1 worksheet. We will select cell A1. Okay. So fill the formatting and content across the group worksheet. We will go to the home tab in our Excel workbook. In the editing group, click on fill button. So we will go to cross worksheet button and select all, click on OK button. This is good. The next is that fill the range 2 to A10 across the ground group worksheet. We will select this A2 to A10. This range is selected. Again go to the home tab in the across the group worksheet. Go to the home tab in the editing group, click on fill button, click on across worksheet button. So click on OK. The last point of this question, ungroup the worksheet. We will right click on Q1 worksheet and click on ungroup worksheet. Right click on this, click on group worksheet. This sheets will be ungrouped. So I am going to do question number 3 of this assignment. So right now, you want to insert monthly and department total for the quarterly worksheet. Group the 4 quarterly worksheets, select the range B3 to E11 and use the auto sum. Group the 4 quarterly worksheet. QTR1, press Ctrl, select this next 3 worksheet, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4. This 4 quarterly worksheet is grouped. Select the range B3 to E11 and use auto sum. We will select this range B3 to E11 and go to the home tab. Select the use the auto sum. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button. So this question is done. Now I am going to do question number 4 of this assignment. In question number 4, now you want to format values in the quarterly worksheet. With the 4 quarterly worksheet group, apply counting number format to the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11. Select the range B11 to E11 and apply the total cell style. Ungroup the sheet. Okay, with the 4 quarterly worksheet group, we will go to our Excel workbook and we will select this 4 worksheet, QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 is group. Okay, so the next apply the counting number format to the range B3 to E3. We will select first this range B3 to E3 and go to the home tab. In the alignment group, the number group, apply counting number format button. So the next range is B11 to E11. We will select this range in our Excel workbook and go to the home tab. In the number group, apply counting number format button. So select the range B11 to E11 and apply the total cell style. We will select this range and go to the home tab. In the style group, click on cell style button. So we will apply total cell style. Okay, last part of this question, ungroup the worksheet. Ungroup the worksheet, right click on QTR1 worksheet, QTR4 worksheet, click on ungroup sheets. Okay. I have done 4 questions so far of this assignment, so I am going to do question number 5 of this assignment. The year worksheet contains summary data. You will insert a hyperlink to each quarterly worksheet on the yearly worksheet, on the year worksheet. In cell B2, insert a hyperlink to the range 2 to 11 in the QTR1 worksheet with the screen tip tags QTR1 totals. So in the cell C2, insert a hyperlink to the range 2 to 11 in the QTR2 worksheet with the screen tip tags QTR2 totals. So the cell D2, insert a hyperlink to the range 2 to 11 in the QTR2 in the worksheet with the screen tip tags QTR3 total. So in cell E2, insert a hyperlink to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR4 in the worksheet with the screen tip tags QTR4 total. Test the hyperlink to ensure the work correctly. First point of this question is that on the year worksheet in cell B2, click on the year worksheet will be open, click on cell B 2. Insert a hyperlink. We will copy this range E2 to E11, click on cell B2, right click on cell B2, click on link button. So place in this document, select, type the cell references E2 to E11 and then select Q tier 1 worksheet with the screen tip text Q tier 1 total. Q tier 1, go to the screen tip text. Okay, screen tip text, Q tier totals, click on OK button, again click on OK. So the next is that in cell C2, insert a hyperlink to the range E2 to E11. Click on cell C2, right click on cell C2, click on link button. So we will select QTR2, tab the cell reference E2 to 11. We will select QTR2, screen tip text QTR2 totals. Screen tip text QTR2 totals. Click on OK button. Again click on OK. This hyperlink is added. So the next hyperlink in cell D2, E2 to 11 in the QTR3 worksheet. We click on cell D3, right click on this, click on link button. So select QTR3, E2 to 11, tap the cell references. Text to display is screen tip text is QTR3 totals. QTR3 totals. Click on OK button. So again click on select QTR3 and click on OK. This hyperlink is added. So I am going to do last hyperlink in cell E2. Insert a hyperlink in cell E2. Click on cell E2. Right click on cell E2. Click on link button. Select cell QTR4. E2 to 11. Tab the cell references. So select QTR4 and text screen tip text QTR4 totals. QTR4 screen tip text QTR4 totals. Click on OK button. Again click on OK. So this question is done. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done this question so well. You can see on my laptop screen I have done 5 questions of this assignment so far. The question number 6 is that test the hyperlink to ensure the work correctly. We will test the hyperlink to ensure work correctly. We will click on this link. Okay, it's work correctly. So moving on, question number 6. You decide to hide some worksheet. After hiding 3 worksheets, you decide to display 2 worksheets again. Continue work on them. Select and hide the year, consolidate and future worksheet. Select and hide the year, consolidate and future worksheet. Then unhide the year and consolidate worksheet. We will select these 3 worksheet. Year, press Ctrl and then select consolidate and future worksheet. Right click on this, simply hide this and then right click on consolidate worksheet and then right click on consolidate, click on hide button. So right click on future sheet and click on hide. These 3 sheets will be hidden. So unhide the year and consolidated worksheet. Unhide the right click on CCG worksheet, click on hide button and we will select these 2 sheets, year and consolidate and click on OK button. These 2 sheets will be unhided. So I am going to do next question is question number 7. Now you are ready to insert a formula with the references to the QTR1 department totals. Display the year worksheet in cell B3. Insert a formula with 3D references to E3 in the QTR1 worksheet. Copy the formula to the range B4 to B11. First we will display the year worksheet. Okay, so we will click on cell B3 and Zata formula with 3D references on cell E3 on Coutier 1 worksheet. Click on cell B3, press is equal to, and go to the Coutier 1 worksheet. Press is equal to go to Coutier 1 worksheet. Click on cell B3 E3. Okay, click on cell E3 and press enter. Okay, so copy the formula to the range before to E11. Copy the formula to the range before to B11. Okay, so I have done 7 questions of this assignment. The question number 8 is that now you are ready to insert a formula with references to the Q 2 department totals. In cell E3 in the year worksheet, insert a formula with 3D references to the cell E3 in Q 2 worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C4 to E11. Click on cell E3 in the year total worksheet. Press is equal to. Go to QTR 2 worksheet and click on cell E3. You can see I am entering a 3D references formula. So I will go to QTR 2 worksheet. First we will press is equal to in cell C3 in the year worksheet. Then we will go to QTR 2 worksheet. Press is equal to in cell C3. Okay. Press is equal to, so we'll go to QTR 2 worksheet, click on cell E3 and press enter. So copy down the formula through cell C10. So question number 9. Now you are ready to insert a formula with the references to the Q 3 and Q 4 department total. Insert D3 in the year worksheet. Insert a formula with 3D references to cell E3 in the Q 3 worksheet. In cell E3 insert a formula with the 3D references to cell E3 in the Q 4 worksheet. Copy the formula in the range D3 to E3 to the range D4 to E11. First we will click on cell D3. Press is equal to, go to QTR 3 worksheet and click on cell E3. Press is equal to. Press is equal to, go to QTR 3 worksheet. Click on cell E3 in the QTR 3 worksheet. Go to QTR 3 worksheet. Click on cell E3. Press enter. So in cell E3, insert a formula with 3D references to cell E3 in QTR 4 worksheet. Press is equal to, go to QTR 4 worksheet, click on cell E3 and press enter. So copy down the formula through cell D4 to D11 and D4 to D10 and E4 to E10. D4 to D11 and D4 to E11. So you can see I have done 10 question of this assignment in my video. Total question of this assignment is 21. I have done 60 to 70% of this assignment in my video. If you need help in this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. I can do all my lab IT courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and also other courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Math, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.